is to something which Facebook has sent token of love. So thank you so much, Facebook. For last 6 months I was working with Facebook, like posting videos on my page, 15 videos on my page every month, and I definitely had a great experience with it. My relationship manager was Anuradha, and she was like simply amazing. She was very helpful, very kind as well. Everyone in the team, the people I know, were sweet enough. I worked with Pradeep sir, he was good. Suraj Menon sir, he was so helpful with like every single person. All the Zoom meetings went so good. Everyone had that patience to answer our questions and help us as much as possible. So it was an amazing experience working with Facebook. Thank you so much, Facebook, for giving me and all of us this opportunity. Like, thank you so much. I am so overwhelmed. Thank you so much for choosing me to be a part of this program. Kash ye program end na hua hota. It was lovely. But yes, I'm going to continue posting on Facebook. I'm going to continue working on Facebook page as well. Just Look Gorgeous by Vartika. Let's have a look at it. Ki kya bheja hai? It's blue and white. I think something related to the Facebook logo. Okay, it's a bag. Okay. It's nice. अब ये बैग ही गिफ्ट है या इसके अंदर भी कुछ आया है? I don't know. Let's open it. Okay, आया है. So here's this cute cushion from Facebook. Thank you. So this looks cute. I like it. Memories होती हैं. चलिए देखते हैं next क्या है. Here's this t-shirt, sweatshirt I think, Facebook वाली, grey color की. And it's like huge for me. But yeah, it's very nice actually. Stuff is also very good. Nice color as well. And Facebook likha hua hai ispe. Yay! It feels good, yaar. I mean, it was lovely working with Facebook for sure. And the next one is this Facebook key cap. This is nice. Happy New Year card from Team Facebook. Very happy New Year to them and all of you. There's this mask as well. Masks are very much required these days. So yeah, good thing. And it's good to have Facebook ka F written here. Keychain Facebook ke logo ka. Badge Facebook ke logo ka again. And Facebook ke like ka badge bhi. Okay. I actually liked it. I liked working with Facebook. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you so much everyone for watching my videos and supporting me as well. Thank you so much Facebook for giving me the opportunity. Thank you so much. It was an overwhelming and very beautiful journey.